Today I'm introducing to you the world's very first Ranger XP 1000 belt. Why would I say it like that? Because Polaris actually uses the 2016 RZR Turbo belt as the OEM belt for the new body style Rangers from 18 regular cab and 19 to present day XP 1000 Rangers. And it's a thinner belt than the 17 and newer turbo belt, and they already had it in the system. The clutches are more or less the same. I call them turbo size clutches, and it saves them money. But I wanted to make something specifically for this Ranger, and we came up with it, and that's going to be our Hunterworks 925RM belt. Now, we'll tell you before we get started in this, because I've forgotten it on a couple other takes. This is August of 25. I would wait a couple of months to let our old inventory at Amazon FBA run out to purchase it on Amazon. But if you order it right this minute from Hunterworks or Hunterworks One, you're going to get the brand new belt for your Ranger. As soon as they hit the door today, I told my guys to start shipping them immediately. Okay, so what's different about it? It's going to be slightly longer, slightly wider, and certainly thicker. That wider is for the engagement RPM to get down and barely touch the gas. You'll be moving. Here's a short little clip of me driving our Ranger across our floor here at exactly 1 mile an hour at 1800 RPM, and it was fully engaged. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. I left enough room for some slight alignment issues. Of course, you do alignment in your secondary with shims, and I will tell you this real quick, that if you do have a slight alignment issue with a worn OEM belt and you put it on, it may show up, and just got to do we'll add a shim or take away a shim if that happens. It may not. Okay, so keep that in mind. But again, it is specifically made for the Ranger to do what a Ranger does, and I think you're absolutely going to love it. I will tell you this, that if you are the style of rider, and I hope this is a minority of people, because it's just not good for these clutches, but if you use your Ranger as a truck or car and you're up and down the highway, and that's pretty much the only kind of riding you do, higher speed, long distance, everyday type riding, go to the RZR Turbo page and order the new Hunterworks Turbo belt. It's thinner, it's strong material, and it runs cooler. It'll be better for that extremely minority number of people who do that style of riding in your Ranger. For everybody else, you're going to absolutely love the new Hunterworks Ranger XP 1000 belt. If you got any questions, Todd@hunterworks.com. Make sure you subscribe and like, so you'll be informed of anything else new that we come out with. And we appreciate you guys so much.